Brioche is an enriched dough. These types of dough are high in fat, which shorten the gluten strands. This increases elasticity, making a more tender product. Sugar promotes a quicker fermentation and accelerates browning of the crust during baking. Hold a sieve over a large bowl and pour in the bread flour, sugar, salt, and sift together. Start with the warm water in a small bowl. Add the sugar and yeast. Mix and let rest for about 5 minutes. You'll know the yeast has activated when it starts to bubble. Next, scald milk. In another bowl, combine the eggs and cooled milk. Beat together. Now, pour all 3 mixtures into a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment. Turn to medium and begin kneading. Gradually add the softened butter as you continue to knead. After about 5 to 7 minutes, increase the speed to medium-high. Knead for 10 more minutes to develop the gluten and create a smooth dough. Because brioche is so sticky, it is best to retard in the refrigerator overnight to help make the dough more pliable. Grease a large bowl. Add the dough and roll it around until it is fully coated. Then cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Now your dough is ready for the fermentation process. Fermentation is when yeast converts sugar to alcohol and carbon dioxide. The gas gets trapped in the dough's gluten strands, providing the rise and texture of baked products. Let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour. When the dough has doubled in size, dust it with flour and gently punch it down once to redistribute the gases. Cover it with plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator overnight. Take the dough out of the refrigerator and let it rise again for 1 hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, lightly dust your work surface and turn out the dough. Brioche dough tends to be sticky, so be sure to occasionally dust it with flour. To create the loaves, divide the dough in half or portion your desired amounts on a scale. Shape your loaves into classic rolls or a sandwich loaf. Gently spread out each half and fold in the sides. Using the thumb of one hand as a guide, tuck the dough into logs, pressing down tightly with the heel of your other hand as you go along. Roll the dough out until it's about 1 inch in diameter. Then, press the ends of the dough together and hold tightly with one hand while you twist the dough with your other hand. Squeeze the ends together to prevent them from coming untwisted. Lay the dough into greased loaf pans. Now your loaves are ready for proofing. Cover with plastic wrap and let rise for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Uncover the loaves and brush the top of the dough with the egg wash. Place in the oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until they are deep golden brown. Now your brioche is ready for a variety of applications.